Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Microsoft has blocked macros from running error using 5 fixes. Solution 1. Add network drive as trusted location. The very first solution you can try is adding network drive as trusted location. To do so, open Excel, click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options, then Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings, and then Trusted Locations. Allow trusted locations on my network, not recommended. Add the network UNC path as trusted location. Solution 2. Change the default file format. Trying to open the file with a different or incorrect extension may cause this error. To fix the error, try changing the Excel default file format. To do this, open Excel, click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options window, under Save Workbook section, click on the Save Files in this file format drop-down. Select a supported file format. Click OK. Check if you can open your Excel file and access the macros. If not, try the next workaround. Solution 3. Add new location. The next solution you can try is to add new location. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, open your Excel workbook, click on File, then click on Options. In the new window, select Trust Center. Choose Trusted Locations, and click on Add New Location. Click Browse. Add the C:\drive as the path. And check the box to subfolders of this location are also trusted. Click OK to ensure the settings have been modified. Solution 4. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve the error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File, the Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 5. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.